Hello! Today we will introduce the DTMF signaling function on the A36 Plus Max. Dual-tone multi-frequency, DTMF signaling, is a method of telecommunications signaling over analog telephone lines. It is used for various applications, including automatic dialing, remote control systems, and as an access method for secure communications. Each DTMF code is a combination of two specific frequencies, representing a unique number or character, ensuring precise and reliable command transmission. To use DTMF codes, 1. Use the keypad to input the desired DTMF code to be sent. 2. In editing mode, short press side key 3 to delete a code. 3. If the code is cleared, press side key 3 again to exit DTMF editing mode. 4. After completing the input, press the PTT key to transmit the code. 5. Customizing a short press of side key 3 to quickly enter DTMF mode is only supported through menu settings. By correctly using the DTMF code function, you can ensure the walkie-talkie operates simply and efficiently. Thanks for watching. For more supporting, please visit support.talkpod.com.